Hello. So this is my doggy. Say hi, Cody. Say hi. I just woke him up. He's kind of pissed off at me. Sorta. He's like, why the fuck are you waking me up? He's yawning. He's a cutie. He went to the vet today. The doctor stuck their finger up his buttocks. Right, Cody? What? What? What am I talking about? Huh? What? Did I wake you up? Yeah. I look crazy, don't I? Talking to my dog. Don't leave me. No. I'm definitely freaking out right now because I watched that movie Inception and I'm alone. That was kind of scary. Just a tad. Just a tad bit scary. And it's 3 in the morning and I'm flipping out. I thought I heard something. I'm bored. Oh, so this is my doggy. His name's Cody. He's gonna be 10 soon. Say hi to the screen, Cody. Say hi. Oh, he's giving you all the angles. That's his good side, apparently. Look at his little paws. Aren't they cute? I think they're cute. Back to the screen. Okay. He's done. He's going to bed now. Bye, Cody. Yep. He's like, fuck it, I'm out of here. Yep, and, yeah. There's this kid, Clayton. He's from my school. He's partially retarded. Oh, whoops. Not retarded. What is that new word? Ugh. Fudge mugs. Holy shit, Taco. What's that? I don't even know. Mentally incapable of learning correctly. I don't know. He has like autism or no, not autism. I can't say that. He has like Asperger's or something. He's really creepy. He somehow got my cell phone number. He just texted me. 3 in the morning. Like this kid, he looks like he's 12. I'm not trying to be rude here. No, I'm not trying to be rude. I volunteer and I help special people. I am not trying to make fun of them. It sounds like that probably. No, it's just this kid, he's kind of creepy. He got my cell phone number somehow. I don't know, someone gave it to him. Apparently I have enemies out there. Not that much of a surprise. My whole town is an enemy to me. But yeah. So he got my number and now he's texting me and calling me. Told him to stop. Told him it's not even me. He's weird. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do! It's weird. I'm gonna go cry now. Bye.